In this problem, it is given that there are two persons A and B who are participating in a 500-meter race, and this ratio of speeds of A and B are 4:5. And also given that A starts 5 seconds earlier, but B even then beats A by 20 seconds. Then we have to find the distance between A and B when B completes the race. Now, let the speeds of A and B be 4x meters per second and 5x meters per second. Now, let the time taken by B to complete the race be some t seconds. So the time taken by A to complete the race will be t plus 25 seconds. The reason is he is starting 5 minutes earlier, but also he is losing the race by 20 minutes. So totally there is a difference of 25 minutes. So he is taking 25 minutes more. So this can be written as t plus 25 seconds. Now, as they are traveling same distance, so distance is constant. So speed into time, S1 T1 will be equal to S2 T2. Just substitute this. 4x into t plus 25 is equals to 5x into t. From this, we'll get the value of t as 100. So we know that distance is equals to speed into time. Distance traveled is 500 and speed of A or B, consider anything, 4x into t plus 25. Now if I substitute the value of t as 100, 4x into 125, it is 500. X is nothing but 1 meters per second. Now, the speed of A is nothing but 4 meters per second and the speed of B is 5 meters per second. Now, it is given that A and B, the time difference between A and B. Now when B is completing the race, A has 20 seconds left. That means the difference is nothing but these 20 seconds distance. So distance that can be traveled by A in 20 seconds is nothing but the distance between both A and B, which is nothing but 20 into 4. That is 80 meters is the difference between A and B. That is option A. We have to find the sum of the series 5 plus 10a plus 15a square plus 20a cube plus so on up to infinity, whereas mod a is given as 1. Now let us take this series as some s. Let us try to calculate the value of r as it is in geometric progression. R is nothing but second term by first term, which is 2a. Now we know that mod a is less than 1. If mod a is less than 1, a can be 0.9 or 0.1 or it may be negative. Now if it is anything from 0.1 to 0.99, this value 2a will be greater than 1, and if it is negative, this value 2a will be less than 1. Now we can find the sum to infinity only if the value of 2a is modulus of 2a is less than 1. So we cannot find the sum to infinity here. So in order to convert it into a perfect GP, so what we do is I'll find s into a. I'll find one more series which is s into a. S into a is nothing but 5a plus 10a square plus 15a cube plus 20a power 4 plus so on up to infinity. Then what I do is I'll subtract SA from S. From S we are subtracting SA. So let us look here. 5, so there is nothing to subtract here. Then 10a minus 5a will be 5a. 15a square minus 10a square will be 5a square. Similarly 20a cube minus 15a cube is 5a cube plus so on up to infinity. I can write this as s into 1 minus a is equals to 5 into 1 plus a square plus so on up to infinity. Now clearly r is a, which is and also given that mod a is less than 1. So we can use the formula of sum to infinity. S into 1 minus a equals to 5 into a by 1 minus r. A is 1 by 1 minus r is a. So that implies s is equals to 5 by 1 minus a whole square, which is nothing but option D.